Hey there, real estate fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property. Today we are previewing 11023 Mill Creek Way, Unit 708. It's one of the N units here in Colonial Country Club with the bundled golf membership. Let's run inside and take a look at this unit here. As we walk in, it's a townhome, so you do have the stairs right here at the entry. Nice wooden staircase there. But off to my right is your garage entry. You've got a one-car garage here. And now let's go upstairs and take a look. As we come up the stairwell, directly to the right side, it's going to be your dedicated den. Tiled in here. You do have the opening over the stairwell here as well. So nice, open, bright, lots of light in this unit. You'll notice something as I go through this home. None of the lights in the main areas or bedrooms are turned on. So you can see how nice and light and bright it is in here. Right here, this would be your dedicated dining space here that leads right into your kitchen. Then you have your eat-in kitchen area right here, your outdoor lanai, and your great room space here. Really nice use of space here, nice and wide open. Here in the kitchen, you've got wood cabinets, Formica countertops, white appliance package, and then you've got your pantry over here on the end. Now let's run outside and take a look at the viewpoint here. Really nice size lanai, and that overlooks the preserve and walking trail, cart path directly behind the building here. Right off the lanai and great room, this is your master suite here. Plenty big enough for a king-size bed. And then you have your master bath here. So you've got your linen closet, dual sinks, area for seated vanity. You've got your standalone shower, your private water closet here, and you've got a really nice size closet here. So last but not least, we are going to take a look towards the front of the unit where your guest bedroom is. Also, we'll show you where the laundry facility is as well, and that's going to be right down this hallway here. So right down this hallway here, you've got your washer and dryer with some additional storage up top. You've got your guest bath here. Nice part also is the guest bath has a window out to front. So again, lots of natural light in this home. And then here's your guest bedroom here. Nice size guest bedroom with your typical bifold style closet door setup. All right, folks, so this is 11023 Mill Creek, Unit 708. If you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property Group, this is Roberto Lee, and we'll see you next time.